Hello my dear children, welcome to Rainbow Tree channel. So today we are going to learn about the journey of rice. Are you all ready to learn the journey of rice? So do you know who he is? He is Mr. Joey. Okay, so he is the farmer. He is going to explain how he is making rice. Okay, so he is going to explain all the steps. Okay, so you have to listen to that very carefully. Okay, so Mr. Joey is going to tell us the steps in making rice. Let us move into the journey. First step is we have to prepare the field, right? So because we need to sow the seeds, for that we have to prepare the field. So for that Mr. Joey does this plowing. Okay, so he uses oxen to plow the land. Nowadays they are using tractors too. Okay, so plowing is the first step. We have to prepare the land, right? So plowing is the first step. Mr. Joey is happily using his oxen to plow his field. The second step is sowing. Sowing. So now the land is ready, right? So after plowing, what we have to do? Mr. Joey is telling us to sow the seeds. Okay. So sowing. See, he is having a basket full of seeds. Okay. So he is throwing it on the field. Okay. So and then what will happen? If a seed gets into the land, what will happen? It will grow, right? So the third step is transplanting the seedlings. Transplanting the seedlings. Once after Joey sowing the seeds, it will start to grow. And then what he will do? He'll transplant the seedlings. Okay, so the grown plants are there, right? So he will take it and then he will tie it as a bundle and then he will replace it. Okay, in another one place he will plant it as a row, regular columns. Okay, so this is the next step, transplanting the seedlings. Okay, so next what will happen after planting the paddy plant? What will happen? Next one is it will grow very well. Look here, Joey is very happy in this picture, right? Why he is very happy? Because see, can you able to see the paddy here? Yes. So after seeing this, Joey was very happy. He is jumping up, right? So this will happen. Okay, so it will grow well. The paddy will come out of the plant. You can able to see them, but it will be initially it will be in green color. Okay, so like this only it will look. And then next step, ready to harvest. All the paddy which were in green color will become golden yellow color. So at that time it is ready to get harvested. So Mr. Joey is saying it's ready. Let's harvest. Can you see golden paddies? So next step is harvesting. So nowadays they are using big machines to harvest paddies, but in early days people used to harvest it using sickles. Okay, so using their hands they will harvest the paddy. So like this they will cut it and then they will take it to another one place. So harvesting is the next step. Look, Mr. Joey is harvesting his paddy. Yes. So next step is threshing. Threshing is the next step. Once after harvesting the paddy, we need to separate the seeds from the plant, right? So for that what we have to do? Joey is saying we have to do threshing process. So threshing in the sense, see, in a big rock or a hard surface, they'll take the bundles of paddy plant and then they will hit it on it. At that time what will happen? The seeds will get separated from the plant. So this process is called threshing. Threshing. So Joey is showing how he will thresh the paddy plant. He is threshing. Can you see this? See, the paddy or separated from the paddy plant. Next one, after threshing, what we have to do? Mr. Joey is saying we have to do winnowing. Winnowing. Winnowing is a process where we will use a plate-like object. So in that we will put the paddies. Okay. So and then with the help of air, all the dust and husks will get separated, and then we will get only the paddy. Okay, so this process is called winnowing. For winnowing, we need good air. So, Mr. Joey is showing how to winnow. So, he is using a winnow. Okay. Next one is drying. So, now all the process got over. He threshed the paddy plant and then he winnowed it, and then at last drying. Okay, so drying all the rice. Okay, so drying will happen. Okay, he is using the rake and then he is doing the drying process. So after drying, what we have to do? We have to do the storing process. Okay, so all the dried paddies will be collected in sacks. Okay, mostly in jute sacks, and then it will be stored in some places, some safer places. Okay, the place should be dry. So in that places, see, Mr. Joey is storing his paddy sacks safely. So storing. And then after storing, milling process will happen. Milling. So milling process, what will happen? So see, the paddy seeds, it will be covered with husk. Okay, so one outer coat will be there. We can't eat with that outer coat. So what we have to do? We have to remove it. So for removing that, big machines are there. Okay, so using that mills, we can able to remove the outer coat. Okay, so after milling, we will get rice. Can you able to see this? Mr. Joey gave me this rice. So it will be like this only. Can you able to see? So after milling process, we'll get the rice with the husks removed. Okay, so now this rice is ready to cook. So what will happen next? In Mr. Joey's house, cooking is happening. See, in a pot they are cooking food. Okay, so at last what we have to do after cooking? Mr. Joey is calling all of you for a yummy feast. So he is ready to eat his food. Okay, so this is the journey of rice. So from plowing till eating, Joey explained all the steps, right? So and then he want to tell you one important thing. So he is saying that it took 3 months for Joey to get his rice. So it is a lot of work, right? So Joey worked very hard in his field. So he is saying, don't waste your food. Mr. Joey is saying, don't waste your food. That's it, kids. This is about the journey of rice. I hope you have understand that. Thank you.